All right, here's a good question. I need to determine how much money I'm going to have at the end. So I'll put 53,970 bracket 1 plus 2.5%. So it'd be 0.025. And I have to divide that by, it's quarterly, so divided by 4. And then I have to raise that to the exponent. So the exponent will be that 4 again times the number of years. So it's 5.5 years. So 5.5 years. There we go. So after 5.5 years, if you put $53,970 in at 2.5% interest compounded quarterly, you'll have $61,898.77. I'm not sure how you have to round that number, but that's how you have to put it in. I think that when you did it, you forgot the 5 up there with the 5.5 years. It's a little awkward that they said the time was 5.5 years. Typically, that's just a integer number instead of a fraction. Anyway, 5.5, that's what has to go right there.